You may have heard of us. We've been designing furniture for ages, but we're still beginners. When we realized how much we don't know about all you gamers out there, we partnered up with the best to get to know you better. All you winners, all you aspiring victors, and all you who craft worlds and wonders out of blocks. We did what we know best, and together with Asus Republic of Gamers, we created furniture and accessories made for high-performance gaming. Like this desk that lets you hide everything you hate to see and see everything you love. Or this chair with lockable tilt function for stability and control. Things that make you comfortable and things that make you look good. This is the start of something new. Furniture that puts gaming first.